guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see first impression of Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to us, then do click that subscribe button and do hit that like button. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today I have Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil with me. It's with onion oil and Redensil. Basically, Redensil is hair restoration and hair growth serum. This is how the front side of the packaging looks like. You will able to see picture of onion and almonds. They have mentioned that it's for hair fall control. Even they have mentioned here it's mineral oil and silicone free, dermatology tested and for all hair types. Basically, it's like if you have oily scalp or dry scalp or combination hair type, then you can go for this product. The net content of this product is 150 ml and they have mentioned over here it's new and improved. Now let's see what they have given on the right side of packaging. This product is marketed by Honasa Consumer Private Limited, 4th floor, BLM Tower, plot number 63, sector 44, Gurugram, Haryana, India. For queries, you can contact to Customer Care Manager, Honasa Consumer Private Limited, 4th floor, BLM Tower, plot number 63, sector 44, Gurugram, Haryana, India, and even you can call to them on this number which they have mentioned over here. They have even mentioned their email ID. This product is manufactured by Indo Herbal Products, Unit 2, plot number 28 to 29, sector 1B, 11E, Sitkal, Ranipur, Haridwar 249403. Registered address C84 Panchashil Enclave, New Delhi. Mention about batch number, manufacturing date and its expiry date. The cost of this product is $399. I have purchased this product for 318 rupees only. I am going to put the purchase link in the description box below. You can directly purchase it by clicking that link button. Now let's see what they have given on the right side of packaging. Here they have given directions for use. Apply a few drops directly on scalp and massage with fingertips. To help the oil penetrate into roots of your hair, leave it overnight or for few hours. For best result, wash it off with Mamaearth sulfate-free onion shampoo. So basically, they are promoting Mamaearth sulfate-free shampoo over here. Product contain natural ingredient and may change color and fragrance without losing effectiveness. Even natural ingredient can cause and trigger existing allergies. Patch test recommended. So patch test is necessary before applying any product. Result may vary. Store in cool and dry place. For external use only. So basically this oil is for external use only. You can't consume this oil. They have given some tips for hair fall reduction. Follow the rule of 8. Drink 8 glasses of water every day and sleep for 8 hours every night. Avoid washing with hot water and brushing wet hair. Eat diet rich in protein and omega-3. Who is it suitable for? Man and women of all ages. So there is no age restriction. Dry, damaged, colored and chemically treated hair. So if you have chemically treated hair or maybe if you have put color, then you can go for this oil. suitable for all hair types. Let's see what they have given on the left side of packaging. On the left side, they have mentioned that it boosts hair growth, gives strength and shine, and nourishes your scalp. Here they have given ingredient list. I am going to list down the ingredient list in the description box below. They have mentioned here that plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use. It's cruelty free and vegan product. And important thing is that it's made in India. Now let's unbox this product. Here you will able to see that it comes in a plastic bottle. And whatever they have mentioned on packaging, same thing they have mentioned it on bottle itself. Now I am going to use this product at least for 2 months, and after that I am going to make review on this hair oil. Till that, if you haven't subscribed to us, that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.